Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see crochet tutorial for this crochet cross stitch. Yarn I am using is macrame and my needle is 4 mm. Okay, as usual we will be starting with the slip knot. Okay, now this cross stitch, cross crochet stitch, it works quite well in round. Okay, you don't have to cut your yarn, you go on doing it. Okay, it is a front face technique. Okay, so it's like normally we go to end of the row and we turn a crochet work and again we start with the work. No, here we can't do that. Here it is a front face technique, so like if you are doing it in a flat linear way, so like you have to cut your yarn at the end of the row and again you have to start join your yarn from the starting of the second row and again do it. So by end of the row cut the yarn, starting of the row again join it. So in round you don't have to do that all process, it's like you go on doing it in round. So basically I'll be showing you in round now. For that first we made 21 chain crochet stitches and we joined first and the last stitch with the slip stitch, so we get a ring. See, I'm joining first stitch and the last stitch with the slip stitch and we get a ring. Okay, I'm just giving one round of single crochet stitch in each single stitch. Then make one chain crochet stitch and after that make one single crochet stitch in each single stitch using only one loop of each stitch. Okay? Sorry for background noise, my kid is playing. So just go on making one single stitch in each stitch using one loop of each stitch all around. I'll just complete this and I'll show you. Once you are done with the first round, now we make 3 rounds and in 3 rounds we will make one cross stitch in each single stitch. Okay. For cross stitch, insert your needle in a stitch. Now see, this is yarn over. When your yarn goes on your needle and when it is under, it is yarn under. Now we are going to insert a needle, yarn under, pull through. Then again yarn over and pull through. Again insert your needle in the stitch, yarn under and pull through. And stretch that loop which you are pulling, stretch it more longer you can. Then yarn over and pull through. And this is how we make cross stitch. So we are going to make similar cross stitch. I'm trying to keep it as slow as I can so that you won't have any confusion. So please, if you want, you can pause it and you can slowly understand everything. See, you can get, see, you have started getting those small crosses. That's why it is called a cross stitch. Okay, so I'll make 3 rounds with this cross stitch and I'll show you. See how we get those cross in every cross stitch. Isn't it amazing? If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. See, this is cross stitch, and along with this you will get crochet tutorial for many other stitches also on my YouTube channel. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos, plus already many videos are there on my YouTube channel. Many crochet applique tutorial videos, then crochet curtain tie bags, crochet keychain, crochet coaster, crochet doily, crochet table center pieces, and many are there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha. Thank you.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.